Welcome back to Fishing with Vance. Well, it's 2023 and it's cold outside here in Pennsylvania here in January. And today we're going to do an unboxing. I don't do a lot of unboxings, but my lithium battery showed up today, so we're going to do an unboxing. And what it's going to be replacing is this old Duralast good old-fashioned car battery that's been running my Lowrance and the trolling motors for, I don't know, I've probably had this battery for maybe 3 years. And it's been great. It's done the job. It's just heavy. And it took me a while to justify the price of the lithium batteries. But I got a deal here. I think I actually got this guy on, I bought it on Black Friday. And it's just been sitting here. Actually, I said earlier I got it today. I got it before Christmas, but I've been holding off on opening it up because I got busy with the holidays. So today's the unboxing of the lithium battery. It's a Dakota Lithium battery. It's the, I believe it's the 1254 amp hour battery to run my, I'm going to use this to run my trolling motor. So we'll see how it goes. So let's unbox this thing. I'm going to have to, I'm doing it by myself today, so I'll probably have to switch over to my hat cam now, but let's do an unboxing on fishingwithvance.com. Alright, let me see how much I can do of this with one hand, but let's see what we got here. Like I said, this is the Dakota Lithium battery, and it is 54 amp hours. I think that should be enough to run my trolling motor. We shall see. Let's see what's in the box here. I'm trying to do this with one hand so I don't shake all over the place. Alright, there we go. Got some paperwork there, so no need for that. Alright, let's see what we got here. The owner comes with an owner's kit. I don't check that out in a little while. So, what else we got? Charge the battery before you use it. Alright, I'll do that. Let's see what's in the box. Got some packing. Take this out. This comes with a charger. So there you go, the 12 volt 10 amp Life P04 AC/DC charger. Let's see what that looks like. It's pretty straightforward. Some nice clamps there, plug, and the charger. All right. And the power cord. Alright, so set this over here. Now, I may not be able to get this out of here with one hand, but I should, because it's supposed to be so super light. So let's get that over here. And there she blows down in there. I should be able to just lift this sucker up out of there. See, it's a good test because I'm doing it with one hand. There's some handles down there. Sorry for that. There we go. All right. Well, that tells you something right there. I can lift this thing like this with one hand. I couldn't do that one over there with two hands. So there we go. That's gonna be nice. All right. So, what else we got in here? Oh, this empty box over here, making a mess. That's all right. Some more packing. What's down here? Screw. All right. Check that out. And what else we got? Bottom of the box. Dakota Lithium dielectric grease. There she is. I think everything's out of the box, so set that down there. Oh boy. There she is. I'll tell you, I know when I was buying this, I forget what the weight was. I'm not sure. I shouldn't guess, but I want to say it was like 16 pounds or something like that. And compare that to, you know, my big battery that's in the bottom of my boat right now. Again, it's a big full car battery, and that was the whole point of this. This is about 40 or 50 pounds lighter than the battery I'm currently using. So that will take, 50 pounds off that boat when I'm lifting it into the back of my Pelican. So I'm pretty pumped up. We will see what happens here. I don't know what I'm doing here, so I'm going to read the instructions and get this set up and charge it, and we will go from there. Now, the question I have is, how am I going to secure this thing getting to the lake? Because as you guys know, I have quite the little system down here to hold this guy from bouncing all over God's earth, and en route to the lake, not once I'm fishing. And I do want to set it up so that I can, run my Lowrance off it, and also, run the trolling motor off it. Which this battery performed that task just fine this year. Now, granted, I didn't use this that much, but that's because of a different issue with this transducer not going all the way in the water. Which, stay tuned for that. First mod video, I'm going to attempt to extend this so that the transducer gets down in the water. But getting back to the battery here. So in the next video, that's going to be mod number 1 of 2023, is to take this battery out and put the new guy in and figure out the best way to secure that to the bottom of that Pelican. Again, these things are not cheap, so the last thing I want to do is ruin it on the way to the lake. However, I'd like to avoid taking it in and out of the truck every time. Or I'm sorry, in and out of the bottom of the boat every single time. So stay tuned for that video. That'll be the first mod video of 2023 on fishingwithvance.com. But for today, it's the unboxing of the 12 volt 54 amp hour battery. It is super light. Tell you what, let's give this thing a weigh. I'll weigh this and see what it is right out of the box. Let me get my my scale that I use for carp. All right, gonna try to weigh this with one hand. We'll see what happens. This is like as big as a carp. Well, some of my carp. So the fact that I can hold this with one hand and hold the camera with the other hand is a positive. As you can see, I can't quite hold it still. Put it down. All right, try this one more time. Here we go. See if I can get the scale to register. Hey, you guys can't quite see that, but it's between 15 and 16 pounds. So that is wild. We'll call it 16 pounds. That is crazy. And that was going to be a big difference. I guarantee that other battery is, probably 65 pounds. But this will make a huge difference, which I'm excited about. They are pricey, but the thing only weighs 16 pounds, so that's got to be great for me lifting my Pelican into the back of the trailer each time. I'll tell you, that's going to make a nice difference. Going to cut at least 40, between 40 and 50 pounds of weight out of the bottom of the Pelican, which, when I'm fishing, no big deal. But when I'm lifting into the back of the trailer, 40 pounds makes a difference in how light it is to get in and out, especially if we're getting in and out of, some tougher launch points. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Again, stay tuned for the next one. The next one is going to be on how I secure this guy to the bottom of that Pelican bass raider. Don't forget to subscribe and hit like, comment. I would love to hear a comment of how you think I should secure this to the bottom of the Pelican. If you don't want to comment here or you're not a subscriber, you can always go to fishingwithvance.com on Facebook, or go to the actual website itself, fishingwithvance.com. Drop me an email. I'll see you guys soon on the next one. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time on fishingwithvance.com. Out.